In this video, I will show you how to activate Subway gift card, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So you'll be able to browse through and menu your gift card for Subway either through the website as I am going to be explaining in this video or through the latest version of the mobile app. When you choose the option to place an order, you search for the payment method. If you want to do it through the website, all that you have to do is tap on the three little lines at the top left corner of the screen at subway.com and then go over to the gift card. In this page, you will be able to find all the gift card options that they have and how to send them. Of course, if you want to activate the card, then all that you will have to do is follow the instruction. Once it arrives directly, you will be done through this website or through the mobile app like I mentioned. Just go over to the page like I mentioned and either tap the option to reload or check your balance. Whenever you tap either of those options, you will be redirected accordingly to another page where you can sign in Subway Rewards. There is where you can manage the card and other things right to yourself by the points and rewards, and that's it, you are done.